Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change currency in CoinStats. CoinStats allows you to view cryptocurrency prices and portfolio balances in different fiat or cryptocurrencies. First of all, launch open the CoinStats application on your device and log in. From the homepage of CoinStats, go ahead and tap on the selected currency at the top right corner where it shows USD at the moment in my screen. Simply tap on that. It will change to fiat or cryptocurrency. Simply go ahead and press and hold on the fiat currency to bring up this pop-up menu where you can tap more and view more fiat currency options. Now go ahead and choose the currency display from the menu. Choose any one currency you want to change to for your account, and once done you can head back and tap on the same button at the top right and it will change to a different currency of your preference after giving it a multiple tap. Now the coins that you've added in your watch list will be shown in the chosen fiat currency. So that way you can easily change between currencies, whether it is your cryptocurrency or fiat currency option, and you can change the currency in CoinStats quickly and easily. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.